And today we'll be reviewing what's in the box of ISX twin cam cylinder head. All new cylinder heads come with the lifting strap assemblies for easy removal and installation on your engine. All new Interstate-McBee cylinder heads include cam bushings, valves, valve springs, seats, coppers, and all cooling system freeze plugs. As you can see, it's a complete cylinder head assembly ready to bolt on. And remember, when overhauling any engine, it's best to have a complete repair. Please insist on Interstate-McBee fuel injectors, cylinder head bolts, gasket kits, exhaust mounting. We have the full supply of material to ensure that you make the best job out for your customer.